Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and learning English every single day. So today's video is only for beginners. If you are a beginner and if you are thinking of learning English, then this video can help you a lot in your spoken English journey. Because in this video, I am going to share with you some basic tips which can help you to learn this language in an easy and effective way. Okay, so now let's jump into the video. So as a beginners, the first thing that comes to our mind that is from where should I start learning English, right? So don't worry, I am telling you what you should do. As a beginner, first you will have to focus on basic grammar. Yes, focusing on basic grammar is essential for a beginner English learner because if you don't know the basic grammar, you will make mistakes every time. So for that, it is important to know the basic grammar. So here are some key areas you need to focus or you need to learn in starting. Okay, as a beginner, you can start with these key points and try to learn these topics one by one. And to be honest, it will not take too much time to cover all these topics. So it's totally depend on you. How long will you take to complete all these topics? Okay, but I would suggest try to learn these topics within a week because it will help you to learn English faster. After learning all this basic grammar, you will have to focus on listening, reading, writing and speaking. Okay? So these four things will help you to become fluent and confident in English. So first thing is listening. Okay? You will have to practice by listening because listening is a great way to improve your English. It helps to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary. So as a beginner English learner, you can start listening by simple conversational videos. Okay, there are so many videos are available on YouTube. You can easily find them. And also you can watch English cartoons for listening practice. But it's totally up to you. You can watch whatever you want as per your choice. Okay, and the second things you will have to do is reading practice. So you can start reading with children's storybook or English language textbooks for beginners. Okay, because reading helps to improve vocabulary and comprehension, which are essential for fluency. Third is writing. Writing can definitely help you to learn and improve English. It also helps us to improve our spelling and grammar skill. So to start writing, you can choose any topic and try to write at least 8 to 10 sentences about that topic. Okay. Also, you can write about your daily routine, what you do every single day, and there are so many things you can write. Okay, as per your choice. So yes, and one thing you will have to do is whenever you are whenever you will write something, try to speak while writing. Okay, try to speak those sentences while writing. And one thing you should not forget that is speaking practice. Okay, without speaking practice, nothing gonna work. How much you learn English, how much you know English, nothing gonna work if you don't do speaking practice. So you can start speaking practice with your family member and if you don't have anyone to practice, you can find partners from social media. Okay, there are so many Facebook groups, messenger groups are available. You can find partners from those groups and also if you want you can create a group and you can add other person, like if your friends are interested to learn English then you can add them, and nowadays there are so many applications are available on Play Store. You can download and you can practice with strangers. So if you follow these things as a beginner, no one can stop you to learn English. And one thing you should keep in mind that is be patient because to acquire a skill it takes time. Okay, so be patient and enjoy your English journey. So friends, that's it for today's video. Hope it will help you in your spoken English journey. And if you are still watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family, and stay connected with this channel for such videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Stay happy and keep learning.